Introducing the Cardinal Health Solidifier with EZ Cap. Designed for safe, fast, and compliant fluid waste management, the EZ Cap minimizes exposure to aerosolized bloodborne pathogens by maintaining a closed system and works seamlessly across all Medi-Vac Suction Canister Systems. Step 1. Shake the bottle to loosen the solidifier. Step 2. Turn off suction and remove patient tubing. Step 3. Position the EZ Spout over the patient or tandem port. Step 4. Turn on suction. Step 5. Push the bottle down to break the liner and release the powder. Step 6. Once powder is drawn in, turn off suction, remove the bottle, and cap the open port. Step 7. Allow sufficient time for the fluid to solidify. Step 8. Dispose of the canister in accordance with local regulations and facility protocols. Stay compliant, reduce exposure, simplify cleanup. For additional information on using the Medi-Vac Solidifiers, please contact your Cardinal Health sales representative or visit us online.